Properties of multiplication of integers. Closure under multiplication. Consider the integers 2, 8, minus 4 and minus 3. Multiply these integers 2 at a time. What will you get? Let us see. 2 into 8 is equal to 16. 2 into minus 4 is equal to minus 8. 2 into minus 3 is equal to minus 6. Minus 4 into 8 is equal to minus 32. 8 into minus 3 is equal to minus 24. Minus 4 into minus 3 is equal to 12. What do you observe? We observe that the new number obtained as a result of multiplication is always an integer. This implies that the given set of integers is closed under multiplication. That is, the product of any two integers is always an integer. This property is true for all integers. Commutativity of multiplication. Consider the integers minus 12 and 7. What is the value of minus 12 into 7? Yes, minus 12 into 7 is equal to minus 84. Now, what will you get if you interchange the positions of minus 12 and 7? Will the product remain the same? Let us see. We have 7 into minus 12 is equal to minus 84. Therefore, minus 12 into 7 is equal to 7 into minus 12. Thus, we see that even when we change the positions of the integers, it makes no difference to their product. This property of integers is known as the commutative property. This is true for all integers. Hence, all integers are commutative under multiplication. Associativity for multiplication. Now, consider the integers minus 3, minus 5 and minus 6. Let us find the value of the expression minus 3 into minus 5 into minus 6 and minus 3 into minus 5 into minus 6. We have 15 into minus 6, which is equal to minus 90. Also, minus 3 into 30 is equal to minus 90. Therefore, minus 3 into minus 5 into minus 6 is equal to minus 3 into minus 5 into minus 6. Thus, even when we group the three integers differently, their product remains the same. This property is known as the associative property and it is true for all integers. Hence, all integers are associative under multiplication. Distributive property. Now, let us check whether the integers minus 7, minus 9 and minus 16 are distributive under multiplication. We have minus 7 into minus 25, which is equal to 175. Also, 63 plus 112 is equal to 175. Hence, minus 7 into minus 9 plus minus 16 is equal to minus 7 into minus 9 plus minus 7 into minus 16. This verifies the distributive property of multiplication for integers minus 7, minus 9 and minus 16. In fact, all integers are distributive under multiplication. Multiplication by 0. We know that any whole number when multiplied by 0 gives 0. Let us look examples. For examples, minus 3 into 0 is equal to 0. 0 into plus 4 is equal to 0. Plus 5 into 0 is equal to 0. 0 into minus 6 is equal to 0. This shows that the product of an integer and 0 is 0. A into 0 is equal to 0 into A is equal to 0. Multiplicative identity. We know that 1 is the multiplicative identity for whole numbers. Let us check it as given examples. Thus, we conclude that A into 1 is equal to 1 into A is equal to A. This shows that A is the multiplicative identity for integers also. In general, for any integer A, we have A into 1 is equal to 1 into A is equal to A.